So today I'll be showing you how to change the always on display clock style on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now to change this, then you need to change the clock style of the lock screen, because the lock screen clock style is also your always on display clock style. So to do that, from the lock screen, just long press an empty space and then tap on customize lock screen. Of course, it's going to ask for your password if you have a lock screen password. And then once it opens the lock screen editor, scroll up and tap on clock. And then you can see different clock styles that you can change to. All right, so you have all these different clock styles. Let's, for instance, pick this one or even this analog one. Okay, now once you pick it, now you can play around with the colors and the size. So maybe you want the smaller size or the large one, and then tap on apply. So that's going to be a new lock screen clock style, but also it's going to be a new always on display clock style. Thanks for watching and good luck.